Great. Brisbane arcade mod is done. And at least it's a mod, but it's Dewhurst. Boring. I'm just glad it's just a mod. Kone KCE mod. Oh, it has EPL chimes still and pixel tech chimes. Oh, that door's painfully slow. AMD. Why's every mod now have to make the door so bloody slow? Oh, that's not bad closing. Oh, that's bad. Takes a while. Oh, God.
Going up.
Great. That indicator. No, thank you. See what the motor sounds like. It just sounds like interesting indicator behavior. God, the door's so slow. Seriously. Original cab. That looks good still. Not as good as the EPL though. Cab is original, thank God. Then 56 kilograms original motor. This new VF I'm guessing. One more round to S. Rear chime. No, just going up. Try and get a chime in straight level. Takes a while to start moving. Good leveling though, not that bad. This indicator's really bad. I hate that indicator, it's so bad looking. Oh, does that work now? Let's see if that works. I think they fixed that and make it work. It's not just static anymore, I don't think. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at the cab, it's original. Cool.